13. Solve the equations. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 3x minus 7y minus 37 is equal to 0. Equation 1. From equation 1 we have 4x plus 3y by 12 is equal to 0, or 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Equation 2. Again from equation 1 we have 3x minus 7y is equal to 37. Equation 3. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 2 by 3 and equation 3 by 4. For equal coefficient of x, 12x plus 9y is equal to 0. 12x minus 28y is equal to 148. By subtracting, 37y is equal to minus 148, or y is equal to minus 148 by 37 is equal to minus 4. Now putting the value of y in equation 2, we find the value of x. 4x minus 12 is equal to 0, or 4x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4. Answer.